The first mat I'll be showing you is one of our most popular models. It is our JT Mesh 32 by 20. So when you see numbers like that, that means the dimensions of the product. So this one is 32 by 20 inches, which is great for covering, the majority of your back. If you have leg pain, it can cover pretty much the area of that. It's also flexible, so you can place it over the body. It's versatile. It's great to store. But let me show you. I'll show you it itself. So let's open it up. And as always, it comes with its very own traveling case, which makes it super easy to store when you're not using the mat, or if you're traveling with it or bringing it to and from work, things like that. This case makes it super, super easy to travel with. Let's open it up. And voila. You can see just how easily and perfectly it fits inside of this bag. And then we're going to take it out. And let's see what we've got here. So this is how all of our products come in. They come with this plastic cover to help protect it during travel. First, I'm going to show, before we get into all these goodies, I'm going to take it out of this right here. Just so you can see how beautiful it is. Look at this. You can see all of the gemstones on the surface. This is one of our products that has 3 therapies. It has the gemstone therapy, of course, you can see that. It has a heating element throughout, which provides the far infrared therapy, as well as negative ion therapy. I'll get into those in just a second. I want to show you what it comes with first. So you open it up. Firstly, you'll see that it comes with your very own warranty card. So that's used to register your product's warranty on our website. It looks very nice too. We have the Mylar Blankets. So how this works is you can see that you place it over the body. It helps kind of insulate the heat and prevent it from getting out, which is great for you really are looking to detox, sweat yourself out of toxin, cleanse the body. It's phenomenal. We also have, lastly, the remote. So I'll get into that in just a second. So this is used to control the temperature of the mat and the timer function as well. But I'm going to get into that in just a second. First, let's talk these therapies. So this mat has 2 gemstones in it. You can see the green one here, which is jade, as well as the darker ones, which is tourmaline. I really, in HealthyLine, we love all of our gemstones. We include a variety of them in each of our products. But jade has to be my absolute favorite because I'm the kind of person who, sometimes my head can be racing, a million thoughts, focus problems I've had my whole life, stuff like that. But jade is phenomenal because it's super, super, super calming, really balances me out and really helps me focus. Very good for meditation too. And can't forget, it's absolutely beautiful. The next gemstone is tourmaline, and tourmaline is very good for your energies, kind of preventing negative energy from getting into the body, and it also releases negative ions, which is our next therapy included in this mat. So negative ions are pretty much invisible to the eye, but they help you breathe easier, which can help you feel more energized, more relaxed, focused. It's also very good for, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated. They're found in nature all over the world in areas which are really far away from, densely populated areas, industrialized areas, because that's where the air is the cleanest. But with the gemstones, when they're heated, they really help release the negative ions. You can get those benefits. You don't have to travel anywhere. You can get it right from your home. And lastly, last but certainly not least, is the far infrared therapy. So there's a heating element throughout the entirety of the mat. And when the gemstones are heated, they kind of convert that heat and they kind of release what's called far infrared rays, which is if you're sitting in the sun, during the summer, or if you're in a hot area, normal heating pads, they usually, like the ones you get wherever at CVS or wherever, or like your seat warmer in your car, those pretty much just heat the surface of your skin, while with far infrared heat, travels much, much deeper into the body. It's super, super relaxing for any kind of muscle tension. Great for sleeping at night. Again, I said before, winter's right around the corner. There's no better remedy for those cold winter nights than far infrared heat. And it's all included in this mat. Also, what's great is when the gemstones are heated, these ones have more firm gemstones, round gemstones, so they really press into the back more for any kind of muscle pain, anything like that. It's an absolutely phenomenal product, a great price. And again, don't forget, we're having 20% off and free shipping. Click it at the link below. You'll see a little box. You just have to click that box, check it, and then that discount will be applied. So this is a great mat, great little pad here, beautiful gemstones. But if you're looking for something perhaps a little bit bigger, we have something just for you. Let me show you.